Hi guys, welcome to your everyday math lesson for 5.9. We've been working with fractions and multiplying fractions, and today we're going to talk about a little bit about yesterday. What we did is we worked on shading in the boxes, using area model for multiplying fractions, and while those are great strategies, today we get into my favorite and, in my opinion, the easiest strategy. When you get two fractions that you can multiply, that you need to multiply, yes, you can draw a picture, yes, you can fold paper, and you can think about things like that, but the easiest thing that you can do is literally multiply straight across. You multiply the numerator times the numerator and the denominator times the denominator. This can be used with 1 and 2 fractions, even if you want to multiply 7 fractions times each other. You could even do it with larger fractions in the amount of fractions, okay, guys? When you multiply fractions, literally multiply straight across. Say that. Multiply straight across. What did I just say that our directions were for when we're working with fractions? If you said multiply straight across, I am giving you 1 extra credit point added to a quiz or test that we have done. If you have 100% on that, that's just going to make it more than 100%. You should have said multiply straight across, especially because I just said it about 12 times. Okay, here we go. We're going to go ahead and we're going to work on our lesson with 5.9 today, and we're going to start by writing that in our own words. So in your own words, describe the method for multiplying fractions discovered in class. Multiply,
research the solution, develop a prototype,
the numerators,
find the question, share your solution, analyze all solutions,
and that
brainstorm your solution,
becomes
test and improve your design.
your new numerator.
Share your solution is red.
Multiply the denominators and that becomes
The answer for the slide
your new denominator. Absolutely. If you want to write on the top of your page, multiply
You are done with the
straight
studies.
across,
So,
that is okay as well. All right, so we're going to use this algorithm. It's called a multiplication algorithm because it's a method for doing this problem. Okay, so the word algorithm is a fancy word for a method or a way to do something. Okay, use the multiplication algorithm as described to solve problems 2 through 7. So I want you to answer number 2. What is 1/2 times 3/6? 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 6 is 12. Done. Boom. Number 3. What is 2/3 times 1/4? All right, 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 4 is 12. Super duper easy. All right, let's do the next few. I'm going to go ahead and do number 4, 5, and 6 really quickly. I want you to finish them on your own. Choose the answer that has all 4 choices. All right, here we go. Number 4, 3 times 1 is 3. 5 times 6 is 30. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 8 is 32. 2 times 4 is 8. 5 times 10 is 50. And 7 times 2 is 14. 9 times 12 is 9. 108. Done. I think that this method is a lot easier than trying to draw out a picture. Can you imagine trying to draw a picture with 7 ninths and 2 twelfths and then trying to figure out how many was shaded or how many there are total? Yeesh. That's why knowing how to multiply fractions straight across can help. Knowing these algorithms are definitely going to help you. All right, here we go. It says, choose one of the problems above and draw an area model for that problem. Explain how it shows that your answer is correct. Now, I don't want you to choose number 7. Nope. Choose one that's easier. Maybe you choose number 2 because number 2 seems very easy. Find one of the problems above, and I want you to draw the picture that matches. All right, so I'm going to draw the picture 1/2 times 3/6. So I'm going to start by splitting it in half here. 1/2. And then I'm going to split this side into 6ths. One sixth, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, 5/6. Great. And now I'm going to shade 1/2 goes right here. 3/6 goes right here. They meet right here, and then I always do that 0. Look at my rectangle. Now I know exactly what I need to shade. 3 pieces shaded out of 12 total. So explain how it shows that your answer is correct. The picture shows 3 pieces shaded and 12 pieces total. That's how I would word that answer. Okay. Now, for number 9 and 10, write a number model and then solve. All right, for number 9 and 10, we're going to use a number model to solve. It says Sheila had 3/4 of a pound of blueberries. Remember, we know of means multiply, right? She used 1/3 of them. So 1/3 of the blueberries. 1/3 of the blueberries. So my number model will be 1/3 times 3/4. 1/3 of the blueberries. That is why I put the 3/4 last, is because that 3/4 represents how many blueberries. 1 times 3 is 3. 3 times 4 is 12. So 3/12 of a pound is what she's going to use. I want you to try to find the number model for number 10. The mirror in a dollhouse is 2/4 of an inch wide and 3/4 of an inch tall. What is the area? What is my number model? All right, so for this assignment, for this one, you should have done 2/4 times 3/4 equals 6/16. That should have been your answer. Awesome. So Ben tried to solve problem 9, and he said his answer was 4/7. He said, well, that can't be right because I know that 1/3 is less than 4/7. Do you agree? Yes or no? And why? All right, so he is absolutely right. And I agree that the answer should be less than 4/7. I don't think that 4/7 is the right answer. He said that can't be right because 1/3 is less than 4/7. So his reasoning is a little different for me. The reason why he said 1/3 is because that's kind of where he starts. And his reasoning is, like I said, just a little bit off. I agree with him that it's not right because we know it's not right. We did the math. But the other reason why I agree with him is because when you multiply by a fraction, your answer will be smaller. So that means that if I start with 1/3 and I multiply by a fraction, my actual final answer should be smaller than 1/3. That's basically the reasoning. So do we agree? Yes. And this would be kind of why. All right. That is the end of your lesson for today on multiplying fractions. There is going to be another video that I'm going to attach for the next part of your lesson. It's going to be about solving decimal number stories. So that's going to be as a separate video today. I will see you during our Zoom if we have our Zoom. If not, have a great day, guys. Bye.